Good morning, students. Today we will take a revision class one more time regarding the present continuous. I have given this lesson for you in video number 7, but today we are going to make a review in order to understand it more and be able to solve your exercises. So, what we are going to explain regarding the present continuous, the first thing, which is the definition of it. المعنى اللي which is actions happening now, actions that are happening at this moment, at the meantime. Tamam? Now we'll go to the form. We know that in the English language, the English sentence consists of three parts, which are the subject, the verb, and then the object. So here we have the three forms of the English sentence. The first one is the affirmative, which is al-itbaq. The form for the present continuous in the affirmative form is subject plus the verb to be, which is am, is, or are regarding our subject, and the verb, and it has to have an ing in the last, at last. So here, an example regarding it, she is, I took the S because our subject was she is studying, study, and the verb ing, English. Now, if I want to negate, to put it in the negative form, I have to use this form. Subject plus am or is or are plus not plus the verb ing. So it will become she is not, or the short form of it isn't studying English. And now I come to the question form. I have to flip the subject with the verb to be, so it will become is she studying English, and I place the question mark, and the answer will be yes she is or no she is not. Here, after we are done with the form, we have to know the keywords. What do I mean by the keywords? If I find any of these keywords in my sentence, it means that it is in the present continuous form. Some of the keywords, they are stated in your book on page 161, but as a reminder, they are at the moment, now, for the time being, today, tonight, this morning, or this evening, or this afternoon, etc. Now, we have to come to the uses of the present continuous, the function. Why do I use the present continuous, and how and when? So, the first use of it is actions happening now. Actions happening now. I am, as an example of it, I am teaching English now. So, I am teaching English now, or at this moment. The second use of the present continuous is temporary situations, which means that it will end. Sooner or later, it will end. It is temporary. يعني بالعربي مؤقت، حدث مؤقت أو موقف مؤقت. Such as it is raining. So it is raining right now, okay, but it will stop raining sooner or later. Another use for it is changing or developing situations and present. So في عنا احنا هلا power. When I say an example regarding it, cars are getting expensive. So it is a developing or a changing situations regarding cars. The fourth use of it is annoying habit. يعني في إن عادة العادة هاي السيئة. And we use the adverbs of frequency which I already explained in the simple present tense. We know that the adverbs of frequency are used in the simple present tense, but in here we have to use it with the annoying habit. So here an example in order to clarify what I am talking about. The teacher is always giving us homework. العادة هاي التيتشر هي عبارة عن عادة سيئة إنه هي دائما بتعطينا واجبات. So we use the adverb of frequency which is always here دائما. Here the fifth use of the present continuous is in the narrative form. يعني لما أنا بدي أحكي قصة أوكي أو joke أو مثلا بدي أعلق على أشياء in sports أوكي بحطه in the present continuous form such as my sister is eating and is watching a comedy. There are more than one actions and they are happening at the same time in the narrative form. So I put the verbs in the present continuous form. The sixth use of the present continuous is a picture. What do I mean by that? If I give you a picture and I am asking you to explain to me what do you see in the picture, alright, you will answer me the boy, for example, is riding a horse. This is what you see in that picture. The last use of the present continuous is plans for future. أنا عمالي بخطط إنه أعمل إشي في المستقبل. Such as an example of it, we are going to the mall. Okay, let me take one of the keywords. This evening. So this is a plan. عمالي بخطط, alright, to go to the mall this evening in the future because I am now in the morning or in the afternoon, and in the evening I will go to the mall. Now we are done with the uses or the functions of the present continuous, and I have given you some notes regarding the spelling, and now we have to know this important note which is regarding verbs. We have verbs. We have two types of verbs that we have to differentiate between them, which are the stative verb and the dynamic or action verb. What do I mean by stative and what do I mean by the dynamic or action? The stative verb, it describes states. هو بيفسر لك الحالة الوضع اللي انت فيه. But the dynamic من اسمها ديناميكي or action. انت عمالك بتكون بحدث. It describes action, something that you are doing, Here, there are 5 types of the stative verbs. The stative verbs اللي هم عملت الsimple present. So we cannot add ing to the verb. We cannot add ing to the verb. Some of these verbs or types, emotion is feeling such as love, hate, etc. senses اللي هم الأفعال اللي بتتعلق بالحواس. Okay, such as taste يتذوق, hear, what else? Smell, etc. State of mind هو اللي بيدلك على الحالة الذهنية اللي هو مثلا يعتقد such as think, believe, etc. Position اللي هي الأفعال الملكية لما أنا بتملك شيء such as have, possess, and belong, and other types of verbs such as be, contain, consist, etc. These are explained in your book, but this was a quick revision in your book on page 161 and 162. But one last note regarding them. Some verbs come as stated and as dynamic, and we can differentiate, we can see the difference, الاختلاف between them by the meaning of the sentence, I am done now with my revision regarding the present continuous. Study the video very well, and if you have any question, please ask me on Edunation and I will be glad to answer. Thank you guys and stay safe. God bless you.